What's going on, world? It's me, Andre Ketna, here from West Palm Beach, Florida. So in this video, I want to go over some trade setups, some potential trade setups, and provide some value for you guys. But before I dive into the pairs that I'm looking at and the potential trade ideas that I'm looking at, if you are interested in making anywhere from $5,000 to $10,000 every single month when it comes to me trading your account, managing your account, reach out to me on Instagram. I'm gonna leave a link in the description box below. You can click that link. It will take you over to my Instagram. DM me and say, hey, Andre, I'm interested in you trading my account and managing it. I charge $1,000 now, but I'm going to give you guys a discount. Whoever watches this video, you will get a discount. So basically, I charge $1,000, but for you guys that's watching this video, I can pass your challenge, trade it, manage it for a one-time fee of $500. That's an amazing discount because you got to think about the type of money that I'm going to be making you. I'm going to be making you well over $500. Okay, but enough of that. This is not what the video is about. But if you're interested in me trading your account, earning you anywhere from $5,000 to $10,000 a month without you having to do nothing, basically me taking over your account, trading it, and managing it, can put you in a position to make that type of money. Just hit me up on Instagram. Okay. Now, on the first trade that I'm looking at right now, and by the way, at the time of this video, it's 9:30. It's the New York session. It's 9:42 to be exact. But this is what I'm looking at. Okay, this is what I'm looking at for NASDAQ. Now, will it happen this way? Who knows? Nothing's guaranteed when it comes to trading. But NASDAQ, I'm basically. And this can happen today. And I made a post on Instagram saying that this is most likely to happen tomorrow during CPI, because tomorrow there is CPI data that's coming out. I'll go ahead and show you guys what I'm talking about. Let me see if I can. Let's just go to it. Let's go to Forex Factory real quick. So tomorrow, Wednesday, there's some CPI data that's coming out. Okay, this is definitely going to move the market, so pay attention, okay, because CPI is major. Okay, so CPI can push price all the way up into the zone. It might even bring this up a little bit, like fake out. It might even fake people out and break this supply zone area right here, and trick people into thinking that this is going into a it's going to continue to go to the upside. But we are in a downtrend when it comes to NASDAQ. Normally, I don't like to buy equity. I mean, I don't like to sell equities, because if you go to the month, like weekly, you'll see that this is an uptrend. Higher high, higher low, higher high. So maybe it's going to pull back a little bit and create a potential higher low, but I feel like this is going to go into a downtrend for a little bit, short-term sale. But this is the 4-hour that I'm looking at, so CPI can definitely push this all the way up here, and then boom, we can get in some sales in this area. So I'm only looking to sell this when price is in this area. Okay, it has to do that. And then also, I don't know if you guys know about fair value gap, but that's another smart money concept that you can look at. But there is a gap here, all right. And when it comes to me drawing my supply and demand zones, I like to see a fair value gap either before on top of that or below my supply and demand area. So we got a supply here, and we got a fair value gap here, because this fair value gap is just a three candle pattern. So basically, I'll show you guys what I'm talking about. So it's three candles. So this is the first candle, this is the second candle, this is the third candle. So you look at the wick, the higher wick. This is if you're looking for sales, and then you bring it down to the lower wick on the bottom of that third candle right there. That's a fair value gap. What people say. What most traders say, price has to fill the gap. Price has to fill the gap. So basically, look like price is definitely filling this gap right now. But like I said, what I'm looking for is price to come all the way up here, and this might happen today. But definitely it might happen tomorrow. Okay, for sure, if it doesn't hit that today, because because right now there's a zone right here. Let me see. You guys can see I have a zone here. If I go to the 1 hour, you'll see what I'm talking about. So, and this could be even a fake out. So, like if you're looking for a trade today, maybe let's see. This could be even a fake out. What price could do is price could come up here, right, and then come down here. That's what price could do, or not even down. Price might not even make it down this way. It might just make it down here somewhere, or at least down here. All right. So that's what could happen today, possibly. All right. Matter of fact, let me go ahead and I might even get in a trade here. Matter of fact, let me break it down. So I'm basically doing this live with you guys. Basically, let's see. All right. So price came down here, shot back up. It could. Yeah, I'll be patient on that. But this could be a fake out right here. Matter of fact, let me go ahead and draw a zone here. Here. Okay. Okay. So yeah, that's Nasdaq. The same thing on. And by the way, guys, I'm trading futures. Okay, I don't know if you guys knew that I switched from trading forex over to futures, but this is the futures market. So this right here. Same thing. If you go to the 4 hour, have supply up here and a fair value gap. So same thing, could play out this way. Maybe not. I don't think I have nothing in that. But let me go ahead and show you another potential trade real quick, because I don't want to make this video too long. Okay, so here's another potential trade right here. Okay, so look like price is almost to this fair value gap. So basically I got like two fair value gaps here, and what I'm thinking is that price can come all the way up here, fake people out and thinking that it's going to continue to go up, and then boom, come back down, because we are in a downtrend. We created a lower low here, broke this level. Like as you can see, all these are like support areas right here. It broke that level and created a lower low. So this is a lower high, lower low, and then potentially this could be a lower high here or a lower high here, or it could be a liquidity grab and fake people out here and then come down here. So that's another potential trade. This is the Canadian dollar futures. So that's what I'm looking at this week. That could play out. I don't know if you guys can see that, but that's what I'm thinking. I'll show you guys what I'm talking about. So yeah, you see my mouse here. So price can create a lower high here or a lower high here in this area, or it could be a fake out or liquidity grab here and then continue down to the downside. So that's what I'm looking for, okay, on that one. Australian dollar, so there's a fair value gap here. So you never know, price might come back down, pull back into the zone, and then go up. But yeah, we'll see what's up. These are the pairs that I'm looking at. Oh, here's another one here. So this could be a fake out right here, right? This is the euro future. So what price could do is come all the way up here, fake people out. It looks like it's already rejecting already. Fake people out, right? And then maybe CPI tomorrow can push price all the way down here to the demand area and then continue to go to the upside. But we'll see on that. But it's just a potential. All right, it doesn't mean it's going to happen that way. Nothing's guaranteed when it comes to trading, but that's what I'm looking at. Okay, that's what I'm looking at. Okay, that's what I'm looking at. So yeah, so that's that. Let's look at gold. Has just been on a tear lately, and silver same. Let's go back to Nasdaq, and you see what I was looking at. Now this is a prime example. This is a prime example that I'm talking about. Like, people got faked out right here. Look, people got faked out. People thought that, you know, price was going to continue to go up and go up and go up and go up. But look at this. It rejected this area. I just drew this. I just drew this in front of you, in front of your eyes. All right. This is like a liquidity grab here, like kind of like a liquidity grab. All right. So what I'm thinking now is, I'm thinking that, yeah, that's definitely a liquidity grab there. I'm thinking that, you know, tomorrow price is going to come like maybe down here somewhere in this area, or yeah, somewhere in this area, shoot up into the supply zone and then drop. That's what I'm thinking. But like I said, who knows? But I'm gonna go ahead and get in a trade here live. I'm gonna show you guys how I take the trade. So I'm gonna take the trade here, and I want to write it down here. Okay, put my stop there. I'm gonna go ahead and create an order here. See, even one can make you over $2,000 here, but I don't want to make $2,000. Really, I want to make. This is my live account here, so I don't want to make that much. I only want to keep it. I want to keep my profits way below $780. That way, I don't go over my Yeah. So see, yeah, this is where I wanted that. Okay. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna bring it down so we can actually get in the trade here. And then, yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get in the trade live. Okay, see, it even came down even more. So I'm gonna get in the trade there. Okay, and then like I said, you know, price might come back up into the zone, but I wanted to get in the trade right away. But yeah, that's what I think, guys. I think price will eventually compare when it comes to the 4 hour. I think price is going to shoot up into the supply zone and then start going down. That's how I think. Okay. Yeah, so that's about it, guys. I'm not looking at any. I'm trying to look at other pairs too to see what's going on. Let me see. Maybe I can give you guys some more ideas here. So we're in a trade right now. Okay, of course we're down $200, but I'm not worrying about that. You're going to be in drawdown. So this euro trade is above my zone, and this yellow zone here is my weekly zone. That's my weekly zone here. Okay, this is Japanese. Look like price shot back into the zone here. Yeah, I don't see anything else. I mean, let me see. Let me go to the 4 hour. I like to look at the 4 hour and higher time frames to figure out, you know, what type of trend I'm in, and etc. I like to look at that, you know. But when it comes to entries, I like to look at the 5 minute, 1 minute, and take the trade based on that, on what I'm seeing. So yeah, but yeah, with that being said, guys, I don't know. I think price will be coming down because I had a zone here. Price faked people out up here, right? People thought, like, this was what people thought when it comes to trading this off of the zone here. This is what people think was gonna happen. People thought that price was gonna come up here, like right here, right? Come back down here into the zone, right? And then boom, keep going up. That's what people thought was gonna happen. But no, that's not gonna happen. This right here is a prime example of a liquidity grab right here. All right, based on this zone. All right, people got faked out right here in this area. Okay, now price is gonna go down. Trust me on this. Trust me, price is gonna go down. Trust me on this. Y'all might see me that y'all might see that I'm in a drawdown right now, but price is going to continue to go down to the downside. Trust me, I am positive on this. All right, I'm positive. Price is going to continue to go down here. Okay, you can even look at it on this. Let me see. On this this trend line right here, right? This trend line. People thought, price broke out of this trend line, broke this trend line right here, right, to the upside, and then fake people out. All right, it's going to go down now. This is how I get good entries, guys. This is how I get perfect entries. I was like on the first part of this video, I was thinking about going ahead and get in, but I just wanted to make sure that price was going to fake people out up here. All right. How I used to trade like this. I used to trade like as soon as price break this zone, right, and price pull back into the zone, I get in a buy. That's how I used to trade. But now I don't. I'm a patient trader now. So I wait and to see what price is going to do and see if price is going to fake people out. Okay, people are going to get faked out. Like I got faked out so many times trading like this. So now I'm more patient now when it comes to taking trades. All right. So yeah. So I think price is going to come back down. Let's see how much we will win. I only want to win $700. As you can see, I'm going to win like $735 if price come all the way down here. Okay. So we'll see. I mean, maybe we can wait it out. Maybe we can go ahead and wait it out here. Hopefully, by the time this video ends, y'all guys can see this trade play out. Okay. I'm telling you, price will go down. I'm telling you, people got faked out right here, up here. People got faked out. A lot of people got in buys up here. A lot of people got in buys right here. But no, watch. Trust me, watch. I've seen this play out so many times. I'm telling you guys, this is what's going to happen. Price is going to come down here. Now, it's not guaranteed, but I'm saying it to myself. That's what price is going to do. So. But yeah, I'm waiting for tomorrow because a lot of my trade setups that I'm looking at, I think price need a push, and I think CPI will push price in certain areas and certain zones that I'm looking at when it comes to my trade setups. But I'll recap on what I'm talking about. Okay, so yeah, so for Canadian, remember, look at this. This is another fake out. Right, another fake out there. According to the 4 hour, let's go back here. All right, this is what I want to see happen. Price come all the way up into the supply area, and then again, fake people out. People gonna like this. As soon as price come up here, right? As soon as price come up here, this may play out, may not play out, but if price comes up here and it breaks this zone here, right? This is what most people are gonna be doing. Wait for a price to come back into the zone, and then go ahead and try to click on buy and try to catch and continue going up. No, that's not gonna. I don't think that's gonna happen. Okay, this is what I think. Right, this is if price can come up here. This is what I think is gonna happen. Look at that. This is what I think price is gonna happen. It's gonna go a little bit above this zone, and then it's gonna come back down. CPI at 8:30 a.m. is gonna push price into the zone up here, and it's gonna bring it down. That's what I think. Okay. Let's go back to NASDAQ and see where we at. We're still in the 130s. Let's see. Let's go back to the 5 minute. I just want to show you guys live, what will happen. Like what type of, how price moves, right? Price never, like I said, I used to trade this. Like, I even used to trade like this. When price come up here into the zone, I used to get in a sale like right there. Like that. I used to do it like that. But no, price loves to grab liquidity. Price loves to fake people out. So now I'm more patient when it comes to my entries now. I let price come all the way above the zone and then look for a position. All right. Or if price comes down, I'm looking for buys in this area if I was looking for price to go up. That's how I look at price. And now also you might be seeing this yellow dotted line right here. Usually I like to wait for price to, if I'm looking for sales, I like to see price go below this this anchor VWAP. This is a daily, yellow dotted line is called the daily anchor VWAP. That's what it's called, the anchor VWAP. Okay. And then also what I like to do is I like to draw my high of day and my low of day anchor VWAP. I'm gonna show you what I'm talking about. So I think this is the low of day anchor VWAP right here. So this is what I like to do. I like to mark the low of day anchor VWAP, right? I got it. Yeah, low of day anchor VWAP. All right, and I want price to be below. As you can see, price is below this daily this low of day anchor VWAP. This yellow this red line right here. It's under it. All right, and then you know, vice versa. You know, if I'm looking for buys, I mark up my high of day anchor VWAP. Okay. And then if I'm buying, I want price to be above this daily anchor VWAP, and I want it to also be above this high of day anchor VWAP. Okay, but I'm not looking for buys. I'm looking for sales. Okay, so I want price to be ideally, I want price to be below this low of day anchor VWAP, and I want price to be below this daily anchor VWAP. Okay, normally. Okay, that's my ideal trade. Okay, so I'm not too worried because right now price is below this low of day anchor VWAP. But if price is above, then I'll be thinking like, should I hold this trade? Should I get this trade? You know, etc. But as you can see, price is rejecting this low of day anchor VWAP. As you can see, it's going up into this low of day anchor VWAP and is rejecting it. Now, price might go up into the zone, push back into the zone right here, but I'm not worried about that. I'm not worrying about this right here. Okay, because I already know what price is gonna do. Price is faking people out right now. So we're gonna wait. I'm gonna show you guys. I'm gonna let this trade play out for you guys. All right. So ideally, what I should have did was, when I first thought about it, I should have got in like up here because I seen a lot of rejection up here. All right, that's where I would have got in like kind of early. Like this is me getting in early, okay? Because I know how price acts, okay? But you'll see what I'm talking about. This is how I like to trade. Of course, up here would have been a better position, but I'm gonna let the trade play out in front of you guys. Yeah, as you can see, price is rejecting this low of day anchor VWAP. It's gonna reject it again. Watch, you're gonna see. You're gonna see. Right now it's at the zone, so I'm gonna just let price play out. This is a perfect. This is a good position too. I mean, of course, if you don't want to be in drawdown that much, you could have just waited for price to come back into the zone and then get in, right? But I got in somewhere. Yeah, I got in like right here in this area. So, but yeah, we'll see. Let's let it play out. Hopefully, this doesn't take so long to play out because I don't want to make this video too long. But guys, if you guys while we watch this play out, if you guys are interested in me trading your account, managing it for you, and passing your challenges, and earning you anywhere from $5,000 to $10,000 per month, I'm doing a deal for you guys that are watching this video. So if you're watching this video, you're going to get a deal because I normally charge $1,000 to do this, but you that are watching this video, I can do this. I can pass a challenge for you and get you funded for only a one-time fee of $500. That's it, for $500. And you're gonna see, you're gonna see why it's worth me charging $1,000. Because if I win this trade, right, if price go down here, that's $700. That's just one trade, right? Imagine me doing that, 2 or 3 or 4 times a day, right? You're gonna make well over $1,000 a day. And then by the end of the month, you're gonna have anywhere from $5,000 to $10,000 profit. And with the prop firm that I'm leveraging is Top Step. Top Step has a 50K for only $49, 100K for only $100, and 150K for only $149. So it's very affordable. So you can get you get one of those accounts from them, and then let me trade for you, pass and get you funded. And I'm only charging you one time fee of $500. And then if you want me to continue trading your account, then it's $500 a month for you guys. All right, but like I said, I normally charge $1,000. But you're gonna see, like, imagine me taking. I take multiple trades a day. I take at least 2 trades a day. So if I do this 2 times, you just made your profit back and then some. But on this trade right here, you're gonna see that I'm gonna make your profit, your investment back in one trade. All right, because if I win this trade, that's gonna be $735 that I just won. If it goes to TP. Okay, so we'll see. Price right now is just, as you can see, price wants to go down because I know how I trade so much. I've been trading for a long time, and I know how price acts. Okay, I just know how price acts. All right, so right now is retesting the trend line here that I have here on the 4-hour. I have a trend line here on the 4-hour here, as you can see. It's retesting that. Okay. And yeah, I mean, that's what I think. What's going on? I also have a trend line up here. Okay. So yeah, let's just watch this play out, man. Let's just watch this play out. Hopefully, don't play too much game for too much long, because I want price to come down here. It's just down here. It's not too far. Like, it's like how many ticks that is? That's how many ticks? Sorry, it's 147 ticks. And by the way, guys, too, like, you might be wondering, how do you know? There's 2 ways that you can figure out how much you're gonna make and how much you're gonna lose. So in this case, we're trading NASDAQ, and NASDAQ is $5 per tick. All right, so if we're going for 147 ticks, all you got to do is just, like, if you just want to manually do this, all you got to do is just put 147 times $5, and that will give you $735. Okay, so 5 times 147 ticks will get you $735. And remember, I'm using TradingView, and guess what? If I right click on this, it will give you the same exact amount of money that you're gonna make. So as you can see, you can manually do it, like use your calculator and calculate how many ticks you're going for and how many ticks you're going for, and you'll get your amount that you're gonna make if price hits your target. And the same thing with the same thing here. Like this is 200 ticks, so this is not a good risk to reward. By the way, this is not a good risk to reward ratio, but my fact, I should even put my stop by. Yeah, that's not a good reward. I want to go at least a 1-to-1 here. So again, if price goes against me and goes above this zone here and hit 147 ticks, guess what? I'm gonna lose $735. Same thing. I'm either gonna lose $735 or I'm gonna make $735. Okay, so all you got to do is just count times 5. If you're trading NASDAQ, there's different pairs that has different amount per tick. But if you're trading NASDAQ, it's $5 per tick. All right, $5 per tick. And guess what? You just times the ticks. You just times $5 times the tick amount you're going for, and the amount that you're expecting to lose. Okay, and then you'll get your number. But when it comes to TradingView, all you got to do is just bring out your long position tool or your short position tool, and then right click it, and then this will also even tell you how much you're going to lose and how much you're going to make. So I'm either going to lose $735, or I'm either going to make $735, or I'm going to lose $735. So TradingView, that's why I like TradingView. TradingView just tells you exactly how much you're going to win and how much you're going to lose. Okay. All right, come on, NASDAQ. Stop playing games. You know you want to continue to go down to the downside. So now I'm really confident now, because right now price is kind of going below my anchor, my daily anchor VWAP, my daily VWAP here. So ideally, I want price to be below my lower day anchor VWAP, and I want it to also be below the daily VWAP, which is this yellow line right here. That's my ideal trade. Okay, that tells me that sellers are in control right now. Okay, now that's if I want to sell. Now if I'm looking for buys, right, I want price to be above the higher day anchor VWAP, and I want it price to be above the daily anchor VWAP. Simple as that. Okay. I hope this is making sense for you guys. But and then the reason why I want to make below, I don't want to make too much money, because with Apex 50K, they don't want you over 30% when it comes to like winnings. Like if you're winning over 30% per trade, like they don't like that. They want you to either be at 30% or below 30%. I don't know. It's just that's their rule. Like with Apex when it comes to your live account. But me making $700 below $780, that means I'll be either at 30% or below 30%. So I'll just keep it simple and don't make no more than $780. So like I said, if I win this trade, I'm only gonna win 35. I'm way lower than the 780 when it comes to the 30% rule. So, and then this might be my last trade, because I don't want to make too much money, right? This will be my only. This is only going to be my only trade for today for this live 50K account, because I can't go over $780 per trade here. So we'll see. We'll see what's gonna happen. Like I said, it's looking bearish right now. It's looking bearish. Price is below the lower day anchor VWAP, and price is below my daily anchor VWAP. So we'll see. Right now, price is playing around, but we'll see. Price may even come back up into the zone here. Price might even come back into the zone and retest this zone again, and then come back down. But as long as we're below that lower day anchor VWAP, then I'm confident in this trade. Okay. I hope this video this don't take so long. I don't want to make this video too long here. And by the way, guys, I will leave a link in the description box below of this video. Reach out to me on Instagram. Yeah, and then also pay attention to those pairs. Like let me go back and show you guys. Pay attention to these pairs this week, especially this week. Pay attention. Okay. Go back to the 4 hour. Pay attention. All right. Pay attention. All right. Now I got this going to here to this man zone, but to be honest with you, this might also play out too. This might play out. Okay. Might come down to the fair value gap, fill that, and then continue going to the upside. But I'm gonna keep it safe and be conservative. This will be the best price to buy this at. Okay, that would be the best price. Okay, let's see. And like I said, this might push this into this fair value gap here, and then tomorrow when CPI comes out, it might push it into the supply area, and then I'm looking for sales there. But yeah, that's what I'm looking. Okay, so now price is going back up into the zone. Don't worry, I'm not worrying about that. I kind of mentioned that price might go back into the zone, so price is back at the zone. All right. This is where I should have. This is why I should have sold it at when price came back up into the zone. That I would have definitely had a better price, but I got in. I was trying to teach you guys and show you guys what I'm looking at the same time while doing this, but I didn't want to miss out on this trade. But yeah, we'll see. We'll let it play out. Like I've said, like you're gonna see. I'm not even worrying about what price is doing right now. Okay, because price likes to fake people out when it comes to this area. When above your zone, people fake people out, playing like it's gonna go to the upside, and then boom, come back down. So we're gonna watch this trade right here. As you can see, it's rejecting the zone here. So we're gonna see. We're going to see. And also, when it comes to the amount that I'm willing to lose per day, I'm willing to lose $1,000 on my first trade. I'm willing to lose $1,000 on my first trade. So I have a $1,000 cushion when it comes to losing trades. So we'll see. But I think price is gonna and sometimes price likes to, go above the daily VWAP, go below and switch and before I make a decision. But up here, guys, I'm telling you right now, this is, you got two rejections here. Like you got, as you can see right here, price wants to go down, so I'm not worried about this. We're gonna see. I just wish price can just not prolong this video, because I want to actually show you guys how easy it is to do this, how I make my decisions. Now this is NASDAQ, like I said. So the amount, you can make a lot of money fast, or you can lose a lot of money fast, because NASDAQ is just volatile. You know what I'm saying? That's why I think, tomorrow, see prices, there's not a lot of movement going on right now when it comes to NASDAQ. But tomorrow, trust me on this, tomorrow when that CPI data comes out, prices is going to go crazy. Trust me on this. Tomorrow prices are just going to go crazy. So make sure you're not trading during CPI, or if you're going to be trading CPI, make sure you know what you're doing. Okay? Just make sure you know what you're doing. So I'm looking for a rejection here off the zone. So this is what I'm looking for, a rejection here, and then to the downside. So sometimes you're gonna be in a drawdown. Like I said, if I'd have waited a little bit and got in at right here in this zone, I would have probably been, less drawdown. But I'm not worrying about that, because I know price is gonna go down to the downside. Okay, come on. This is what you want to do. I know you want to go down. See, look at that rejection right there. See, that zone, that right here, is this zone right here. It's called my my previous U.S. session high. That's what it's called, right? So you might be wondering, how do I know that? How do I know when it's a London session? How do I know when it's a U.S. session, Asian session? Well, I got my candles color coded right here, right? So the red candle means that I'm in the U.S. session. The yellow candle means that I'm in the Asian session. And the green candle means that I'm in the London session. So right now we are in the U.S. session, right? Also the New York session. So the reason how I got the zone, I just drew my zone at the top of this wick, at the highest point of the U.S. session, into the body of the candle. That's how I did that. Okay, and this candle was at 10. Yeah, so at 10 a.m. yesterday, this is the highest point that price went. Right, it wicked up, and then I drew my box, my rectangle. Took my rectangle box and drew it from the wick to the body, and this is what I call the U.S. session. This is my previous U.S. session zone. Okay. Now, price broke this zone. It broke it, but remember, this is like a fake out, liquidity grab, whatever you want to call it. People this is, like I said, people thought this is what people thought when price break this zone, right? When price break this zone, this is what people thought was going to happen. Right? This is what people thought was going to happen. It's going to wait for the price to pull back into the zone, break and retest, and then continue to go up. But that didn't happen, right? Didn't happen, because now I'm more patient. Now I'm more patient. I don't just get in based off of the that like rejection or break and retest. I don't like, because I know price likes to fake people out. The market likes to fake people out, thinking that price is going to keep going to the upside. But I'm not getting faked out no more like that. So I know how price moves. I just wait and be patient. Once price break it, I want to see what the next couple of candles are doing before I make a decision. And also, I like to look at the higher time frame. All right, I like to look at the higher time frame and figure out what type of trend I'm in. Right now, we are in a downtrend. All right, we're creating lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows. All right, and this area could be the potential lower high. All right, now right now we're going sideways, but I think in this area here, this could be that potential lower high, and it could bring it down. Okay, but like I said, CPI coming out tomorrow, so people might thinking that Nasdaq is going to continue to just go down, go down, go down, go down. No, it's going to. People want to sell at a cheaper price, and I feel like in order for price might shoot up into the supply zone to get a cheaper price, and then continue the downtrend. That's what I'm thinking there. Okay, so yeah, we're gonna wait until this price hit my target. Right now, price is playing around, but like I said, price is not gonna be playing around like this tomorrow, because tomorrow CPI comes out. So let's go. Come on. It might even try to retest that zone again. But I'm seeing a lot of rejections here, so in this area. So I feel like if it does come back up here, it's going to reject it again as well. So there's a lot of rejection right here. So we'll see how this plays out. But I'm not worrying about it. I'm not worrying about this trade, losing this trade, because I know I'm not going to lose this trade, because I just know. Been trading for a while now, so I know how price kindly moves. So we'll just wait. Price would want to slow down and stall while I'm trying to show you guys an example, but we'll just wait. I didn't want to make this video long, but now I'm making this video long. Okay, let's go. I don't got nothing else to talk about. Let's see what other pairs are doing right now while we wait for that. Australian dollar is going up. Okay. Yeah, tomorrow for sure. But like CPI is definitely gonna push this up to this to my supply area. Same thing with euro. I'm gonna be patient. Yeah, so that's probably the only trade that I'm looking to get into today. In fact, back to 5. Okay. All right, we're gonna see how this reacts. Right now, we're going back below the daily VWAP. That's a good sign. All right, guys. So it looks like we are heading to our target. Look like we are heading to our target, guys. Okay, there we go. As you can see, price is playing out exactly how I wanted to play out. As you can see, look at this. Okay, see? Boom. Just hit our target, guys. Just hit our target. Let me take a screenshot of this real quick. Okay, there we go. Alright. Just wanted to take a screenshot of this. Okay. So yeah, guys, that's it. As simple as that. Like I said, guys, if you want me to trade and manage your account, just reach out to me. I'm gonna leave a link in the description box below. It will take you over to my Instagram and DM me if you want me to trade and manage your account. All right. So with that being said, I'm Andre Cat now here from West Palm Beach, Florida. I'll see you guys on the internet. Take care, y'all.